Pronunciation Pro.
Pronunciation Pro.
So some of these words that you wrote down here, so hill and heel. Okay, so in connected speech, they'll probably sound pretty much the same. He'll be coming to the party. That pronunciation is going to be the same as hill. He came down the hill. You know, he'll be coming down the hill. He'll be coming down the hill is pretty common in connected speech. So say that for me. He'll be coming down the hill.
He'll be coming down the hill.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty natural. Let's see. Is that where your question was? Is that whether they're the same or not?
Yeah, but then sometimes like I don't know, I see or I hear people saying like a hill, or I mean I don't know, I just want to know like the difference sometimes, like you know, in a sentence.
Yeah, so sometimes, and this is what we hear commonly, is that in connected speech, sometimes it'll sound like hill, and sometimes it'll sound like heel. Like he'll be injuring his heel, you know. So you will hear it both ways. This is probably more common where it's hill, where it's more like this word, hill, than heel, but you may get both of them.
Okay.
What feels more comfortable for you?
So this one is like hill, and hill is the same pronunciation.
Mm-hmm. Hill or heel, yeah. So that either way is going to be correct. Your voice is important and needs to be heard. If you're ready to speak English clearly and with greater confidence, I invite you to start your free 7-day trial at pronunciationpro.com.